valentino สวัสดีครับ
Last year was the first time ever you have an official race in Thailand. So how you feeling about it and how is the race in Thailand last year?
Thailand is a great place and was a great pleasure to race there for the first time. The track is good, the place is good. For sure we know more the Bangkok or the most famous place in Thailand, but also Buriram is okay. It's very hot.
It's very hot.
But we enjoy the time in Thailand.
Valentino Rossi in the slipstream here at Marquez. Valentino Rossi moves out the slipstream. Valentino Rossi leads the Thai Grand Prix.
Know about the Buriram race is the best Grand Prix of the year last year.
Yes, is a great news because is a very important place for the market of Yamaha and of all the factory bike. So is good, and I hope that we can race for a longer time.
What is your plan and target for the second half?
The first half of the season for us was not fantastic, and in the second half of the season the target is be stronger than the first half and be stronger than last year.
Now talking a little bit more about Thailand, have you tried Thai food before, or you have any favorite dish of Thai food?
Yeah, I like the Thai food. I have also a lot of Thai restaurants in Italy. I like the pad Thai, and anyway in general all the fish and everything, and is a good taste.
Finally, you have a lot of fans in Thailand, so please invite the fans to come to cheer you.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Valentino, and ciao to all my fan aspetta. Hi, I'm Valentino, and hi to all my fans from Thailand, and don't forget to come at the Buriram circuit in the Rossi stand for the Grand Prix in October.